Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruijie RCNA class. I am Nick Xia. Today we will talk about working principle of a layer 2 switch. As you know, this course is aimed to train new engineers and help them grasp the basic network technology. Last course we talked about ARP technology. We know Jack's PC will send ARP request to Bob's server, and Bob's server will reply the ARP packet to Jack's PC. Then they will learn each other's MAC address. So today we need to talk about how does the switch do. When switch receives the packet, it has two kinds of forwarding way: broadcast flooding and accurate flooding. Broadcast flooding means the switch will forward the packet to all of the interface, pay attention, except the source interface. And accurate forwarding means the switch will only forward the packet to the actual destination. Which mode is better? Of course, accurate forwarding is more efficient. But how to implement accurate forwarding? In this topology, we can find that there is a table in the switch. We call this table MAC address table. This table records the mapping between MAC address and the port ID. When the switch receives a packet, it will check the MAC address table. If there is a MAC address entry, then the switch will forward this packet to the interface. But how to build a MAC address table? Here is an animation. When Jack's PC sends the ARP request to the switch, it describes the source MAC address with Jack's PC's MAC address CAOO, and the destination is followed F because this is an ARP request. We remember ARP request is a broadcast packet. When the packet arrived in the switch will record it and create a MAC address mapping with the interface. We call this table MAC address table. But maybe you're wondering, will the MAC address exist forever? If it is true, we know that every entry will occupy certain resources. And if all of these MAC addresses exist in the switch forever, the switch will not learn the new MAC address. So of course, there is the aging time. In our device, the aging time is 5 minutes. So, for example, when this link, the link 2 is done, the MAC address of the PC2 will disappear in 5 minutes. We can use show MAC address table to check the MAC address entry. Show MAC address table. We can find that the first sequence is the VLAN, then MAC address, then type dynamic. This means the MAC address is learned by the switch dynamically, and then the interface and the time. We can also use show MAC address table with question mark. Then we can try this one with aging time. Here, as we say, the aging time is 300 seconds equals 5 minutes. And we can also check show MAC address table count. We can find that there have been 13 addresses exist in this switch. Now, let us have a summary. Today, we learned the working principle of switch. We know when the switch receives a packet, it will generate a MAC address entry in the MAC address table. And there are two kinds of forwarding way of the MAC of the switch: the broadcast flooding and accurate forwarding. Here's some exercise. You need to read it and answer it. By the way, in the next chapter, we will have a review and talk about a more in-depth understanding of the inter-PC communication. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.